Oh, this was an absolutely rock solid piece of wax. I told you about this the other day.
I'm only laughing because the ooh caught me off guard then. Is it ooh?
Is it good?
I didn't expect it to do that.
It is like stone. This is probably the hardest piece of wax I've ever taken out. My name is Rhys. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green, and I am the other audiologist here.
So we have this lady, just to give you a bit of background. She basically had a mastoidectomy, a tympanoplasty, never had her mastoid cavity cleaned out, only ever had wax removal once, and came through to see me, and this was the most solid piece of wax I have ever, I would say, in my career tried to remove. It was huge. It was that hard. I've got the Rhys hook in here, and I was pulling on this wax. You'll see with how much pressure I'm putting on top of this wax to pull this out.
Gosh.
And I could feel the Rhys hook bend.
So the patient's here doing this as well.
Honest to goodness. I mean, the lady was lovely. And she said, didn't hurt, nothing. Didn't even feel it. She said, felt pressure, but that was it. But I can get behind this plug. So what we've got right at the entrance, we've got this big monster, huge hard plug. I'm literally just trying to get in. So we've actually got, I think it's got a Cawthorn hook, I think we've got, which I end up using in a bit. But I've got in here now, tried the Rhys curette, tried the Rhys hook, and basically it's clipping off the side. It's not actually going through the wax. This is actually pulling on the back and then working its way around the plug to come out to the front.
I can't believe this hasn't been cleaned out since you've had it done.
No, I said, how often do you have your mastoid cavity cleaned out? Never had it done. She said, look. I was like, oh my God.
That's really strange, isn't it? They usually see you every 3 months, is it? 3 to 6 months?
Yeah, usually about 6 months.
Yeah, 6 months, yeah.
And you'll see that piece of skin that we do take out in a second as well. Look at the pressure I'm trying to put on that to pull this out. And it's just, it didn't cut through, it just goes over the top. Yeah. So I think this is the Cawthorn hook now. It's more blunt. It's metal, all right? And I've gone for this one just because we need that little bit more substance to the tool to get this out.
I can almost hear you going,
yeah, do you know what it was like that? Honestly, it really, really was. Look at that.
You have to tie those like clips.
Yeah, it's a ratchet clamp.
Yeah.
I was trying to get around the corner, and it's spinning almost, but just not coming out. And I'm checking in with the patient. Like, are you okay, lovely? Are you all right? Are we okay to carry on? And she was going, yeah, I'm not feeling it. Honestly, I just feel pressure. It doesn't hurt at all.
She's gone through worse with the operation, to be fair.
Yeah, in fairness. Yeah, she was telling me about the op as well. She had it done when she was something like 14, and she's like 80 odd years of age now.
Oh, God.
So she was a little while back. So I woke up with all sandbags on me to keep me still and everything. I was like, oh, that's a new one.
The surgeon was sitting on me.
Pinned you down.
Oh, gosh.
So you can see I'm trying any angle here to try and spin this plug. Because I know it's a mastoid cavity. I know the mastoid's going to be to the left-hand side here. So I'm trying to spin almost round to the right, to twist this to pull it out.
It's moving.
Every time it's moving a little bit. It's just not... You can see I'm kind of wiggling back and forth. The lady was actually talking to me as well during this. So this is why it's a little bit wiggly.
Oh, here it comes. That's it now, isn't it?
Yeah, there it goes. We can start to roll. There it is.
Oh, look at that.
There it is. Look at that beastie. Oh, I almost dropped it as well. He's going to try to pick it back up. But that was an absolute beastie. And then we've got this left-hand side then is the cavity here. Yeah, so you can see all that dry skin that's caused this accumulation to form this plug at the front. It's all been collecting there. But yeah, I was demonstrating to the patient. I was pushing like the Rhys hook into the top, so I can't even get into it with this bit of this tool here, and it pinged off the table and landed on the bottom of the chair, and it made a like a doink as it hit the floor. It was bonkers. Everything. Look at this piece of skin now. Watch this. So this is the skin line in the cavity.
Oh
yeah. Wow. I think it's the next section is the good bit. Look at that. That's almost like a full cavity peel there. Yeah. So I've just got a couple of little bits to come away.
Wow.
It's a good one.
Well, eardrums actually looking good, considering it was...
Because it was tympanoplasty as
yeah.
well. Actually, she was sitting, bless her, I got a plastic eardrum. I was going to... But I think it's called a tympanoplasty, so that's probably where the plastic bits come in. But she'd been to another high street provider who had told her not to use any oil or anything in this one. But the other side, he told her had a perforation in it, and there was no perforation there as well. So there you go. So huge removal.
Yeah,
that's dark. This is Katie's.
Oh, that's an old one as well, look at that.
Bone dry, tough as all boots piece of wax, that one. Can we lift?
Oh no, I thought that was going to be rock solid.
Yeah.
There's a bit more movement there than what I was expecting, to be honest. I thought that was kind of going to be like yours then. I thought it was going to be absolutely solid.
Absolutely rock solid. But look at all those skin lifts underneath, still hanging on to that piece of wax. So this is not going to slide out easily. It's going to fight every millimetre of that canal, unless... Oh, that's quite nice.
Yeah, I was just thinking of. I don't want to say anything because I know she'll use something else and then make me look silly.
I said it to her. So yeah, she's trying to lift from the bottom here. Managed to free up and detach from the left-hand side, but this right-hand side is still quite firmly attached. Is this going to turn into almost like a... Is it going to have to be peeled almost all the way down then?
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Good call. Bit of oil. Stop it from re-sticking. Gonna improve your grip. We'll soon see now, because if this gets so far and then just halts, he's still attached further in, which I think is...
that's... Oh, it's coming. It's coming slowly.
Look at that. There we go. Nice.
Oh, that dead skin.
Yeah. You see how dark that bottom end of that plug was then? I was like...
Good result,
though.
Again on the other side. No.
My goodness me, that's going to be tough. That's going to be a tough one.
You can almost see the cotton fibres in there as well.
Yeah. Would you, just out of curiosity, would you go right hook right in the middle of that?
Yes. But I think what I would also do is what Katie's just done there now, lift, and then maybe try a force up.
Yeah.
If you manage to lift it. But I've almost done one like that before, where there's been like a ring and a tiny little gap there, and I just popped it in. And
it's super satisfying when the whole ring comes away with it, and it's nice, isn't it? When it all comes away like that.
I'm gonna say, wax is nice.
I know,
never thought I'd say that.
We're an odd bunch, shouldn't we? Really, as wax removal people, it's. Lots of people say, "Oh, you could do this for a living," but I was like, "Oh, do you know what? I could do this, no problem at all. It doesn't really bother me now."
It's feet I couldn't do.
Oh, I couldn't do feet. No, I'd struggle with feet. I think I really would.
There I go. I can't do feet.
Feet. I don't think feet would be the nicest things to deal with.
But then again, other people would say the same thing.
They
wax
would,
as well,
so. There's probably feet people going out. They couldn't deal with wax.
Well, we couldn't do wax.
Have that, eh? Shrubness unite.
I used to see one of them, mind, for my big toe.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I had one of my mates jumped on my toe on a night out, and the nails started growing into my toe. Oh, I was infected for about 6 months.
Oh, ouchie.
Yeah, I kept going back, and I ended up having it cut on the NHS.
Yeah, they used to detach it and cut down the corner.
Yeah, I watched them do it as well.
What's the matter with you?
No, I know, it was really weird. She did give me the option not to, and I was like, no, I actually want to see what you're doing. But they had it looked like a Phillips screwdriver, but it was really sharp, and she just went straight down the side. Got a set of pliers, and the nail bed was half the length of the actual nail itself. Pulled it straight out.
Instant relief.
Like 2 weeks. Yeah. Like, never even would have said I'd had an infection. Yeah, it was just completely different. I had to wear a bandage with this big on my toe, man. I couldn't wear any shoes.
It was a top of a match.
It was literally, I couldn't wear any shoes. It was crazy.
Well, guys, thank you very much for watching that video today. If you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for us. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members of the channel. That way, then you get to see even more videos every single week. But until the next time, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another and myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.